Hey yo, what's up, chat? And we are back with an episode of I'm about to get creamed, clock cleaned. You see the team right there, right? Now, this is my son, my oldest, right? I'm about to fight him against that whole squad with Great Saiyaman. You know, he can transform back to, just the normal adult Gohan, Super Saiyan forms and whatnot. But yeah, that's how to be interesting. Hope you enjoy.
There's much we can learn in the heart of battle.
How about it? This is the power of Patara. It's useless. Don't even try. That was close. Not bad. What's up? Oh no!
I'm pissed.
That was close. Not bad. That was close. All right. Shall I get serious?
Power up. And now it's time to finish this. And now join me.
I'm on it!
The final blow. Playtime is over. I will not forgive you. Be penitent.
I'll give you something good. Oh no! Oh no!
Playtime is over.
Time I got going.
This hero will never be defeated.
Let's do this.
How's that? This hero will never be defeated. As long as there is evil, Great Saiyaman will not give up the fight. Stupendous.
All right. I say go. I'll give you something good. Stay back, freaks! You're mine! Not done yet! Nice! I'll unleash my true power! I'm a first flash! I say go! I say go! Prepare yourself! Nice! Final flash! I'll unleash my true power! Is that all you've got? Try this! Nice! I say go! not going to survive this.
How very bold of you to trust me.
There you are.
Would you mind piping down?
This'll finish you off. Kamehameha! I'll unleash my true power! I'm fired up now! Time to switch!
They're close by. They're close by.
There you are!
Any idea how much stronger I am?
Yeah, so that went about as expected, but of course I had to have my back and show that I am the superior fighter over here. I grew up to this. I'm new to this. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this, baby. I'm about to show my son how we get down. All right, now check me out.
Come at me when ready.
This hero will never be defeated. As long as there is evil, Great Saiyaman will not give up the fight.
Okay, I will. Shoot! I'll give you something good.
I'll save the day. This hero will never be defeated.
I'll give you something good. Okay, I will. Shoot! All right!
Oh no! No mercy! This hero will never be defeated. As long as there is evil, Great Saiyaman will not give up the fight. Stupendous!
No! How do you like this? I said go! Let's do this! That was close! It's useless! Don't even try! Forget it! I said go! Not bad!
I'm fired up now. All right, let's do it. Coming at you full force. Over here.
No!
Over here.
That was close!
What's wrong?
Not bad!
Not done yet. What's wrong?
That was close! Not bad! I'll give you something good!
Stop! Not done yet. All right, let's do it.
Time to finish this! You're over.
This is it. Take this.
Gohan! Coming up!
No!
Yeah.
You're over there still!
Coming at you full force. Over here.
Fool!
Prepare yourself. What's wrong? All right, let's do it.
How very bold of you to trust me.
This is it.
Would you mind piping down?
Take this.
Gohan! Coming up!
What the? I'll shut you up for good!
All right, let's do it. You're mine. Yeah. Time to switch. This is it. Take this!
Gohan! Coming up!
What the?
How very bold of you to trust me.
Yeah!
Here's a token of my gratitude.
Coming at you full force!
Frieza! That's enough out of you!
My turn now! Over here!
You okay? I can barely feel a thing!
Coming at you full force! All right, let's do it! This is it!
Going all out! Break through the limit!
Take this! I won't go down like this!
Gohan! Coming up!
Whoa!
I'm starting to feel as strong as I used to be. Thanks for all your help.
All right, so after that win, when I tell y'all I thought I was tough, right? My youngest son want to hop on the sticks. All right, now look, you see his squad, right? All right, now look at who I decide to choose up against him in this match. It's going to blow your mind. Guess. I'll give you one guess. Just one guess. Did you guess right? Yep, none other than the champ. I really thought I was tough cookies. Well, I'm pretty sure this match is going to go about as you expected, but check it out. I hope you're entertained. Enjoy.
Mr. Satan is gonna bring a beatdown.
We will both continue to get stronger and stronger, don't you think?
Here's something to remember me by. Eat this! Oh yeah! Game over! Let's do it! There it is! Go! Put that on! Not yet! Dynamite Kid! What's this? I'm the strongest guy around. It's over. Now I'll finish you. No way. That doesn't.
Mr. Satan, you okay?
Moo! Dynamite! Yeah! I'm killed by a thief, Mr. Satan. Let's do it! My turn
Hey, thanks a lot. How about we fight again when you're feeling up to it?
Yeah, so after thrashing like that, I just decided to go with a GT Oob before the transformation. I figured this might be a decent enough, not too OP challenge against my son. He is only 7 years old, but you did see how he just cleaned my clock. He got the same squad, so let's see how this goes.
No need to hold back.
We will both continue to get stronger and stronger, don't you think?
Take This is it!
It's my turn now.
I see you! My powers overflowing! Gotcha! No chance! Turn to chocolate!
Just you watch. I'll show you who's number one.
I can't ground you! This ends here! Lightning arrow! You're finished! There we go! Over here! Right there! No chance! Turn to chocolate!
Prepare yourself. I'm afraid you're not going to survive this.
How very bold of you to trust me.
Even a
And at
Super
this
Saiyan's
point, it's like no
training
more
is never
Mr. Nice
done.
Guy. I got
I
to
need to
defeat
work
this
harder.
kid. I don't care if he is 7 years old. He's going down.
Not done yet!
Feel the power.
Not yet!
Here. I'll defeat you. You're toast. Just you watch. I'll show you who's number one. What's wrong? Not done yet. Try this. Special beam cannon. I can feel the power. Here.
That's it. You're mine. What's wrong?
I'll defeat you. You're toast.
How very bold of you to trust me.
Spotted you.
Oh, thank you, Kite.
How's this? What? Try this. Special beam cannon. This will end it. Try this.
You're in my way.
Special beam cannon. I'll defeat you. You're toast.
My turn now.
Spotted you.
I can.
How's this? Try this.
I'll vaporize you.
I can feel the power.
I'll vaporize you.
How's this? Try this. Special.
I'll break you.
Here.
No. Shoot. Yikes. Shoot. No.
How's this? Well, let's get started. Spotted you. I can't lose. Here.
What's wrong?
Try not to die on me. I'll defeat you. You're toast. This is to feel the power. Where are I? I'll defeat you. Shoot.
Yeah, I hope you was entertained as much as this was fun to play. Yeah, I got cooked by my youngest son at the end. But yeah, subscribe to my channel on Twitch. Follow me. And until next time, peace.